Hi guys, so I'm not here today and you guys are going to keep working on your abstract art. So I'm going to give you the directions here real quick and then you'll be able to get started. So you're going to go into your sketchbook and you're going to finish coloring with the marker both of your abstract designs. So remember, you can use any colors you want, just make sure that they are close to each other on the color wheel, and then you use the water and the paintbrush to carefully blend the colors out. After this is done, you are going to start making your stamp. So we are making a stamp on cardboard using string for a printmaking project. So you are going to pick one of these two designs. You're not copying this whole thing. You're going to pick one or the other, and you're going to do that on the cardboard. You don't have to do this exact same thing. So if you want to add pieces from this one into this design and kind of change it up a little bit, that is totally fine, but you're not doing both at once. So you're going to get a piece of cardboard from my desk when you're ready, and you're going to draw your design on the cardboard. Be careful that you are not doing anything too small, because it'll be really difficult to do the string in tiny little sections. Like this would be too small. Okay, so you want to make it larger so that when you glue the string, it doesn't get all jumbled up together. So when you are ready to glue, after you finished drawing your design, you're going to grab a glue bottle and a piece of string, and you are just gluing the string right over your pencil or Sharpie lines. You can have more than one piece of string, but be careful that you're not dropping all the little crumbs all over the floor. Okay. So you need a little bit more glue than you'd think, just to make sure that the string sticks down, and make sure all of it is nicely adhered. When you're done with this, make sure your name is on the back with a number 9 for 9th period, and then you're going to toss it on the drying rack. And then if you finish that with some time to spare, you're going to go back to your sketchbook cover, finish drawing your name, finish drawing stuff in the background, draw designs with Sharpie, color with Sharpie or marker, and get your cover finished up. Okay? Please behave for the sub, and I will see you tomorrow.